chugging a Coke Zero without trying to burp. Let's see if I can do it. Sorry if that was weird. Sorry if that was weird. 3 and a 2 and a 1. Go. Oh, I need a bottle. I can't drink out of the can. Oh, my stomach hurts. My stomach. I don't think I drink anymore. Oh, my stomach hurts so bad. Oh my. You can't do it. You cannot chug. Oh, you cannot drink Coke Zero without burping. Can I do it? I can't do it. If you have not seen the one where I tried chugging my water without burping, go check that one out. I posted that like 2 days ago. I'm gonna go to the toilet because my stomach hurts so bad. Bye.